Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the BTC, USD, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Apple stock gain 0.4%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
Oil fell by nearly 2% after Israeli officials said they wanted to avoid dragging the Middle East into an all-out war while responding to a deadly rocket strike in the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights over the weekend. A bruising sell-off in US stocks is putting a sharper focus on valuations of the tech names such as Nvidia and Microsoft that have driven markets higher for most of this year. Despite a recent pullback, the S&P 500 tech sector is trading near a two-decade high reached earlier this month. The Federal Reserve is expected to hold interest rates steady at a two-day policy meeting this week, but open the door to interest rate cuts as soon as September by acknowledging inflation has edged nearer to the US central bank's 2% target.
And now let's review today's major economic events.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 5:30 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 9 GMT, the UK's 10Y bond auction at 9 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 14 GMT, Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.